Amla, also known as Indian gooseberries, have a lot of health benefits. Let's see what are they. Daily consumption of amla can help improve problems related to digestion. If you suffer from burning eyes and burning soul, amla can help cure this problem as well. Also, amla helps in hair growth as well as graying of the hair and improves brain development. So, daily consuming of amla gives you other benefits also related to your brain and your hair health. Amla is rich in vitamin C, which also helps improve your immunity. So, if you suffer from cold or have low immunity, amla is best to be included in your daily diet. Lack of sleep, too much stress, all these causes can be cured by consuming amla on a daily basis. It helps to reduce stress as well as give you good and peaceful sleep. Friends, if you all found this video informative, do not forget to leave in your comments. And for more of such videos, do subscribe to Tip Lab. Bye.